everyone, welcome back to my channel on the Mauve. My name is Faye Marie. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through my latest Zara haul, and I'm so excited because I got some really great pieces that I want to share with you guys. Alright, so let's move on to the first piece. The first piece I got is this really nice beige shearling coat. We saw this a little bit last year, kind of trending, and I feel like it's all the rage now. Everyone has a teddy coat. I do own one that's a bit of a darker chestnut color, so I decided that I wanted something lighter. The original price on this one is $129 and it was on sale for $90. I don't think it's the biggest deal, and it definitely wasn't the best deal out of my haul, but I wanted to get it before it sold out just because I feel like everyone is on the hunt for something like this. The next piece is this really nice kind of darker leopard tunic slash dress. I got this for $30. I believe the original price was $50. The reason I say it's a tunic slash dress is because it does have some pretty high slits when you have it on. If you guys follow my Instagram, you already know that I'm obsessed with leopard this season. So I decided I really wanted to get this. I feel like I can pair this with over-the-knee boots and some leggings, or even with some skinny jeans and loafers if I want to wear it to work. I feel like this piece is definitely one of my favorites from this haul. Moving on, the next piece I got is this really fun cropped sweatshirt in this really nice camel color. I mean, as you can see, I'm loving camels. I'm just such a neutral kind of girl just because I feel like I do very heavy hair and makeup, so I always try to tone it down with my outfits. So I'm really excited about this sweater. I feel like I can wear it with either trousers and sneakers or high-waisted jeans. It's cropped, so you're definitely going to want to pair it with something high-waisted. This one was a really great deal. I got this one for $18. It's definitely one of those come-up items. The next piece I got is this really nice sheer dress. What I like so much about it is that it is floral, but I feel like it's a darker floral, so it's definitely appropriate for the season. It is very sheer, and it does come with a black slip inside. This one I got for $30 and the original price was $50. And I don't know if you can see it here, but it has really nice velvet details here. It has some nice tassels, so it's definitely kind of like that bohemian vibe. And it's long sleeve with, again, that velvet detail on the sleeve. Another really fun dress. I love dresses, even in the winter. The next item is a surprise, surprise, leopard skirt. Fun fact, I actually purchased this when it was reg price and I returned it because I was kind of iffy about it. And I went back to the store and it was on sale and I just took it, you know. I've actually posted some really fun pictures on Instagram with this. You'll see how I paired it with a white t-shirt and a leather jacket. So I feel like even that outfit itself is year-round. This style has some really nice pleating on it, and the leopard itself I feel like is almost like the most genuine leopard. And I think it is different than the dress that I showed you previously because the dress is a bit darker, so I feel like it feels true fall and winter, and this skirt I feel like can go year-round. You can definitely pair it with a belt or just tie the knot and make it a cute bow. But this, again, I think the leopard pieces were my favorite from this haul. The next piece is this black sweater. When I went into the store, one of the things that I was looking for was more knits. I feel like I never have enough knits, even though my knits are like piled to the ceiling, but I'm always looking for fresh knits, and I think this one did the job. It does run a little bit large. This is a medium, but I feel like it looks really big, so if you're questioning it, I would size down. I couldn't find a small, so I'm just gonna wear this oversized. But what I like so much about it is, one, it's super stretchy and it feels so comfortable. It's not like one of those itchy knits, and it has this really fun cutout, so it is really long and oversized, but I feel like the cutout kind of makes up for that and you can be a little bit sexy. Apart from that, I'm really digging the sleeves. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're kind of oversized too, and then you can kind of cinch them up, so you can pair it with like some really fun bracelets or something and really jazz this up. This I'd probably pair with either some leggings and over-the-knee boots, or just some jeans and some really cute booties. And the original price on this one is $50 and I got it for $36. Not the best deal, but I feel like it's a black sweater and it'll live in my wardrobe for a long time. The last item from my haul is this really fun and sexy snakeskin bodysuit. I was looking for something I can wear to go out, to go to a bar with some couples friends or some girlfriends, and I feel like this is just the piece. I definitely wear it pinned. I feel like it's very risque with the slit going all the way down, but I think either way it could be a really sexy, fun look. And I feel like it's a perfect combination of sexy and a little bit covered up if you pin it in the right place. And it was also a really good deal. It was $17.99, so I feel like you can't go wrong. And that's my Zara haul. I hope you guys enjoyed me walking you through some of the pieces. Definitely let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.